What is up, guys? Dr.Pep here, and welcome to it's not a tutorial, it's just kind of giving you a little thing to show you guys that I thought was really cool. It's this new, it's not new, I think it came out a while ago, actually. It's a web browser called Opera, right? So if we just, Opera web browser right here. So it's made by this company called Opera Software, right? And I have been using this for the past couple days, and not too long. But what I've used it for so far is fucking amazing. Oh my god. Okay. So Opera is I believe it's Chinese, from some Chinese company. We'll look at Opera software. Headquarters is in Norway, actually, so it's Norwegian, and it's tend to uh be used a lot in Japanese because there's this anti um, security, or this security software that's in Japan, not Japan, China, fucking A, Jesus, that kind of recommends it, and it has this built-in security thing with it. So we're just gonna kind of look at some stuff here. So one of the coolest things about this, right, is it has a built-in ad block, so you can block ads on this site, and also you can test it with or without, like the speed test, how fast it loads, and that kind of stuff. Since my internet isn't the best, it's gonna take a little while. So let's see. Page with ads. It's going to load everything. The whole thing loads in 8.18 seconds. Now this is probably going to load in 9 seconds, that's my guess. Because it usually runs a little slower. Oh, no, barely slow. It's 2% faster with the ads. So you can kind of just be like, okay, I don't really want the ads. And that's pretty cool. You could do any website. You could just type it in here, like Facebook, book.com. Alright. I know you'll get to see my Facebook. Oh no. That's really cool. What is this? See, a lot of things I haven't even done yet. So it's going to take about 11, 12 seconds, 13 seconds? Jesus. 14 seconds with ads. Hey, look, there's my beautiful face. There's my name. Oh, God, I'm gonna get DDoSed. Um, let's see how long it takes without. So it's at 10 seconds. So I'm gonna get, it's always a little higher because it has to go through the ads and block them and that kind of stuff. 9% faster. So you can kind of like determine. Oh, and this is a take a screenshot and that kind of stuff. Yes, I want to block ads on Facebook. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Also, what's really cool is that if you do it with this little combo piece of my 360 total security, right? Um, it protects websites that are like not good, and it'll do this. I think it's called shopping safety or something like that. It protects you from like I don't know. Last time I checked, it was like it protects you from like false sales and that kind of stuff like that. Kind of protects you from that kind of stupid stuff. Also, it has these things called mouse gestures. So if you, let's say you want to go back, right? You want to go back to the starting page, you just right click and flick that way, and it does that, right? If you want to go back, you flick it that way, you know. Hopefully I can do it. Sometimes it's not the best, but it's cool. I think it's cool. And also you can do like refresh and all that kind of stuff. We're going to go over here and look at them. So let's go to the basic settings. So you see you can block ads, which is pretty cool. You can customize your block list. I don't know if this pops up for you, but it does for me. And like what websites you want to block the ads from and that kind of stuff. You can manage expectations, like yeah, like what websites don't have to. Also on startup, you can continue where you left off. So if I say I accidentally closed this out, I was on Facebook and I was typing an important message, and I close it out accidentally, I can open it back up and it'll open up that Facebook. Or you could just start it at a starting page, which is called speed dial. Or you can open up on a specific page, like you always want to open up on Facebook or something like that, right? You can delay the loadings for background tabs and that kind of stuff. You can show the bookmark bars. So if I click on that, it'll bring up the bookmark thing, which is pretty cool. And then you can ask where it saves to each file. You can change the theme. I have it on that one, but I could change it to that one like that. And then the battery savers and local data stuff for cookies. And then we go to browser, right? So you can synchronize with like I believe you could do this on phones too. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But you can sign in with an Opera account, and it keeps your stuff, keeps your browsing data and that kind of stuff on your account, which is pretty handy. And here's the startup thing again. You can start where you want to stop, or start when you want to start. When you search up something like Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, I don't know what that is. Amazon, Bing, Wikipedia, whatever you like. If you're in school, you might want to use like more like Wikipedia or something like that. Your default browser, you want to set that if you like it. Opera uses using your computer system proxy to connect with the network. You can take that off or whatever. Let's see what else. Downloads, of course. Shortcuts, mouse gestures, rocker gestures. So we're gonna look through these. Hopefully you can see these. So these are keyboard shortcuts, right? There's a lot of shortcuts for a lot of different things. There's some advanced shortcuts, and I have my 360 total security here. I also have shortcuts for that. So let's go to the mouse gestures to just show you guys, just try to give you the whole run through of this so you could go through it. So here's some mouse gestures, right? Go back one page, go forward one page, open a new tab, reload the page, close. That's pretty cool. And then there's some other ones like opening a link in the background tab. Yeah, and I thought that's pretty cool. And there's a bunch of different ones, command prompts and that kind of stuff. So it has a lot to offer, There's rocker gestures and advanced keyboard shortcuts. So there's always going to be the normal keyboard shortcuts, Show bookmark bar, show tabs, previews, so you can like preview the tab that you're going to open and that kind of stuff. Show system color, so you can change the color up there. That's pretty cool. Cycle through tabs and that kind of stuff. Here's some advanced ones that's why they had to that. Show full URL in combination search. Okay. Now disable tab bars, spacing, and then enable search box in the address bar. Adjust speed dial animations for slower hardware. Yeah, so you can make that run a little faster if you want. Maximum number of columns, we'll do 4, just to make it run a little faster. Use hardware acceleration when available. Battery saver, that kind of stuff. And we're not even like close to that. You can change the font size. You can change what font you want, which I thought was pretty cool. That you can change the font that you want to view. Show all images. Don't show any images. JavaScript, keygen, plugins. There's a lot of stuff to pop-ups. Right? You can stop pop-ups from happening. And there's a video pop-out thing. That's pretty cool. And if a website wants to show your location, it'll ask you a bunch of different stuff, guys. You can look through this. Like here's the microphone and webcam thing and everything like that. And you can enable full screen if you want, which is I thought it's pretty cool too. And here's all your privacy stuff. Your enable VPN. So you click on that. So now your VPN is changed. That's pretty cool. Hopefully I didn't just show my IP on video. That'd be pretty bad. I'm gonna check that after just to make sure that's not my actual IP, because if that was, then I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah, this is not my IP. This is the thing's IP. Optimal location. Yeah, sure. Okay, we'll do that. Handlers, cookies, advanced settings, stuff like that. All in all, I think you guys should give this a try. I'll leave a download link in the description. And I personally like it. It's run a lot faster than like Google and Firefox. I used to use Firefox actually. And so I think you guys should try it, and also look at this 360 total security. I'll try to link my video to it in the description also. Yeah, just look around in this. If you guys like it, that's really cool. But yeah, thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and as always, have a nice day.